Well, look who finally made it.
Sorry I'm late.
Hey, Lathan.
What's up, man?
How are you?
First time we met.
Oh,
But you haven't seen this since '76?
That would be 76. That's Viva Knievel. Oh, my goodness.
But this is the only existing pair, I think.
I'm looking for,
Yeah,
my initials or
Yeah.
stunt in it.
Your name was here, and the guy I bought them from crossed out your name. This
course
had
it did.
this said GD, I believe.
Yeah, that would be right. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
And that's the other telltale sign that nobody knows.
My legs are longer.
When you watch the film, yeah. Gary has 7 stars, Evil has 6. And we've got 2 of his Viva leathers, and they're obviously a little roomier.
You know, in the movie business, people pick up on things that we do as trickery and stuff like that. Nobody ever would pick that up. I don't think. I'm pretty surprised that you know that.
I'm a detail guy, but I study
But
photographs.
that's beyond.
I really wanted these to be in your possession again for a little while. And
Wow.
I remember when we met, you were like, "Where are those? You found those?"
And these are the actual ones I crashed.
Yeah, you might want to tell the.
I did the tiger jump where I had to crash. I did the jump over the flames and stuff where I had to crash, and then I jumped over that same setup, only made it.
And he was always late every day,
Yeah.
and he never knew his lines. He would learn them in the car. Or he'd try to learn them in the car on the way to the set. He was late every single day. Which is the worst thing you can do, is be late.
Yes. He doesn't understand how much it really costs per minute, you know, when we're...
I don't think he cared either.
No. It's funny because he was a horrible actor.
Hey, want to see my van?
Yet,
I think you'll like it.
and yet, you know, he's this great speaker. When he's on his own and he's talking the stuff, I mean, he got the world behind him.
You kids, if you put nitro in your bodies, and then you'll blow all to hell. And you people, you kids, if you put nitro in your bodies, in the form of narcotics.
Then Evil gets in trouble and he goes to jail.
Yeah.
And then you're directing stunts from then on.
Yeah, I went back to work as a regular guy again. Yeah.